Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a soft and aesthetic blur effect using Hypic. It's super easy and the result will look really cool. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Hypic and import the photo that you want to edit. This can be a portrait, a lifestyle shot, or any photo where you want to highlight the main subject, like this. And then now just tap on Effects, and then go to Blur, and then just choose Ray Blur, this one, and then adjust the intensity like this, for example like this, and then just tap on edit and then add, and then add another effects. Just go to trending and then just choose friends gravity like this, and then adjust like this. For example like this, and then after that, let's add a filter to complete the look. Just go to filters and then black and white like this, and then tap on Dusk. Adjust the intensity as you like. For example like this, it will give your photo a moody cinematic vibe. Just play the intensity until it feels right for your styles. And then next, just go to overlay and then import the same photo again. And then Hypic will automatically cut out the main subject for you. Just tap on auto select like this, and then checklist, and then position this cutout right on top of the original subjects. This will create a layered, professional effect that really makes the subject stand out against the blurred background. For example like this. And when you're done, just tap on export. And okay, like this, you just created an aesthetic blur effect in Hypic with just a few steps. Just play around with the settings and the filters to match your personal styles. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!